There's no designer in the entire planet who doesn't want to make marvelous and awesome 3D renders that could integrate with 2D work beautifully, adding another level of awesomeness and greatness to the whole workflow. But the 3D world is pretty complicated and requires a lot of knowledge of many stuff like a 3D software like Maya, 3D Max, C4D, or maybe Blender. Moreover, you have to have a basic understanding of modeling, texturing, lighting conditions, materials, rendering settings, and different kinds of rendering engines. So, are all your dreams banished now?
Have you ever had a dreams that you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
If you're not a 3D expert, no problem. Adobe Dimension lets you easily composite 2D and 3D objects, backgrounds, materials, lighting, and effects to enhance your graphic design projects. Join me in this course of Adobe Dimension 2020 release. My name's AK, I'm a graphic designer based in Egypt. And I'd be more than happy to introduce my friend Dimension to you. So, let's get started.